There goes my dog flirting with that other dog. She's in heat. Fucking dude over there doesn't even let them. Ah, fucking swear. Anyways. Look, there she is. Oh, there goes my dog Fluffy. There goes my dog Fluffy. Look, there goes my ex-dog Mikey with Shakira and this other nasty cool dog. Okay. The 3 dogs. There goes my dog Fluffy again. Oh my god, a car. Okay, that's it. Bye.